Well, I thought I'd come out here today and plank a few rounds. Got this H&R 649 22 long rifle the other day, cowboy style. Gonna do a little planking today. Not bad. Shoots good. Might need to adjust the sights. It didn't look real on there. Didn't look too bad though. It was close. Have to get some paper targets set up when it gets a little warmer out. See if we can find a few more rounds in the pocket. Stick them in here. Okay, we're loaded up. See a little can or something over here, some trash somebody's left. We'll see if we can't hit that. We're not going to go back too far. About 20 feet. We'll see how close it is. Missed it. Like it's shooting high. Way high. I don't think I ever hit it. Don't think I ever hit it. No, we did not. So we're definitely going to have to do some sighting on this gun. Little plankster. I bought it to I was going to put it in an auction. And see if I can make a little money on it, but I think I'm going to keep that for my kids to shoot. And me, of course, too. Nice little cowboy gun. Model 649 H&R. Made those, I think, from 79 to 85 or something. What I read. They're supposed to come with a 22 Magnum cylinder, but apparently that one got lost. Fun little plankster.